What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Me and my coach actually finally picked a show. It's gonna be the Oklahoma Championship, May 22nd. So right now we're 17 weeks away from the show. Starting prep a little bit early because I'm about 255.2 yesterday morning fasted, and that's no good because the super heavyweight doesn't actually have a cap. So the rest of the series, I actually have my boy Damien here. He's gonna be filming the rest of the series. The last series, I'm done sitting behind the table and filming these weird videos that I don't actually like. This was always my goal for the channel, to come in here and show you guys what I do day to day. So the rest of the series will be the prep and hopefully the show, so you guys can follow along the entire time and see what I do and see what it's like. So this week is actually a deload week. We've been hitting it hard and heavy the last 3 weeks. I didn't have anyone to film me, so unfortunately you guys didn't get to see that. But tonight is not gonna be anything max, nothing crazy. We're not going hard. We're gonna go, you wanna pick a weight that's gonna be something that's challenging, but you don't wanna go so heavy that you're not allowing your body the rest that it needs. That's the whole purpose of this deload workout. So tonight we're hitting chest, it's a deload. Like I said, one more time, nothing maxed, super short rest periods and things like that. Just get the blood moving and keep going. Got done on the flat machine press. We were just doing sets of 10, holding the stretch for 3 count. We're gonna do the exact same thing right here on the incline. All right, we just finished up with the flies, just standing. We're gonna do the exact same thing with a 15-degree incline. If you guys don't, like these benches just go to 30, so I just put a little step there and it's about 15, so that'll give you what you need. Just finished our second exercise. Now we're gonna hit some flies, sort of the same style, but this was gonna be 5 sets of 12 with only 15-second rest in between. All right, we're gonna finish off with the flat bench here. We're gonna be pausing for 3 seconds in the stretch position because it can be a little dangerous when you use a barbell, just because it is like a free weight. It can travel, and I'm tired at the end of the workout. I'm gonna use the Smith so that it's basically, it does all the balancing work for me, and I could just focus on my chest and the stretch without really worrying about getting hurt. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today's deload chest workout. Like I said, nothing crazy, nothing going to max or full effort or anything like that. Just a lot of working on the range of motion and the stretches and things like that. We're 17 weeks out from the Oklahoma Championship. Make sure you like, comment, because it helps the algorithm, and subscribe so you guys can see the entire series. Follow me throughout this prep. I'm gonna show you, all my workouts, hopefully some diets and things like that. Just take you guys along for the ride and show you the show, and I'm gonna show you the results. And I've seen other channels where they cut out, maybe they win the class, but then they cut out the overall. I'm not gonna do any of that bullshit. I'm gonna show you everything. If I lose, you're gonna see it. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.